Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install Popcornflix on your FireStick. Before we start the process, first we need to enable app from unknown sources which allow us to install apps that are not available on the Fire TV App Store. So go to the FireStick setting and select my Fire TV, go down and click on developer option. Here you will find two options RDB, debugging and unknown source, so enable these options. When you turn on unknown source, a pop-up message appears on your screen asking, "Are you sure to click on the yes button?" Then go back to the home screen. We need to install a downloader app which allows us to download and outsource apps on FireStick. Let's install the downloader app. Click on the search bar, then type here downloader. Select downloader from the search result. Next screen, click on orange color downloader. Now click on the get button to install the downloader app. It will take just few seconds to download. Once the installation complete, click open to launch it. So guys, this is the downloader app home screen. Here is the search bar on the home screen and some menus on the left side. Click on the search bar, then a keyboard appears on your screen. Now type here, or already showing on your screen, type here the firesticktricks.com/PCF. Click on go button, then it will connect to the server, then the downloading will be start automatically. Once the downloading complete, the installation section appears on your screen. Click on installation button. It will take a few seconds to install the app on FireStick. When the installation complete, click on done button, then delete the backup file. After that, go back to the home screen, select applications from the right side menu. Here you will find all applications that you have installed on your FireStick. So slide down and select the app that we have installed recently. That's it guys, today's video. We will meet in the next video. Take care.